Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Plouise budget box to share with you and it's a good one this month. Yay, at last. The last couple of months haven't been that great. Great products, but a little bit repetitive, which I'll go into more in the video. But yeah, I've had a quick sneak peek and it is looking good. So if you're new to Plouise and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. Plouise is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships internationally. It costs £30 a box and shipping to the UK is £1, and you're able to calculate the shipping to your country at checkout. Inside the box you'll find a selection of makeup tools and skincare. There could be exclusives, so products that aren't even available to purchase yet, and the majority of the products are full size. Every box is sent out on the last day of the month, so this box is actually a June box, but we receive it in July, so I just count it as a July box. You can opt for a monthly subscription, which you can cancel any time, and they offer a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Plus, if you just want to try a box, you are able to purchase a one-off box for £30. But yeah, I think that's it as far as information goes, so let's get on to showing you what's inside this really heavy, large box this month. We always get a card and it just says, welcome to this month's Bad Bitch budget box, an exclusive first look into our Beauty in the Breakup collection. And it says the same on the back there. Packaging is beautiful. I absolutely adore it. If you haven't seen my previous videos, the last 2, maybe 3 months, the boxes have been mainly catered for, I'd say, makeup artists. A lot of you have said that and I agree with you. Say if there was 5 products in the box, then maybe 3 or 4 of them might be the same, like 4 blushes or 3 bronzers, things like that, you know, which is great if you are a makeup artist, or great if you're building up a collection of makeup for yourself. I am collecting all this Plouise makeup because one day I will do a full face of Plouise to show you on YouTube. It wasn't that exciting. You're paying £30 a box. Yes, the box is worth way more than what you pay, but still, the excitement factor, you know, for a non-working, I am trained in makeup. I used to work as a makeup artist years ago, but I don't really anymore. So having a box like this with a lot of the same products is a bit boring then, you know? So I'm glad this month has gone back to what it has been before. This is a very large and very, very heavy. It's a sin softener, soaking away the sins of you. Feeling clean, babe, your exit's overdue. No harmful extracts, scent the sweet smell of getting over it. And this is a bubble bath, lasts 3 times longer than your ex. And there's 800 mils here, so a really large bottle. It just looks like fabric conditioner, doesn't it? Now we don't have a bath. This is the annoying part. So when I've received any bath products, I've used them in foot baths. I've got a little foot bath, so I might do that. But the reason we haven't got a bath is because we've ripped out our bathroom and we're having a big walk-in shower instead. And it just smells really nice. If my husband goes back to work, then the little tiny room he's got at the moment, which is his office, that will be able to have a little bath in there. But I can't see that happening. Oh, it smells really nice. What does it smell of though? I can't tell you. It just smells nice. It's almost a little bit chocolatey, fruity. I don't know, but look, it's got a little pouring. It's got a little pourer there, which I've got to be careful. Yeah. That is so nice. Gutted I haven't got a bath, but my feet will be smelling gorgeous with this, no doubt. So that's the first item. Then I've got the Extractor. Extract those bad vibes and erase your ex. It's time to move on. Easily dissolve the stain of a sore love scum. Make it melt. Makeup melter. It's a makeup melter. Took me ages to get there, didn't it? Okay, it's like a cleansing balm then. This is from Plouise Skin and it's Make It Melt, and there's 50 mils here. That's a little spoon there, a little spatula. So yeah. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells of butterscotch. That's the first thing that came into my mind. Or like Murray mints, you know, those really old sweets, which my son just happened to buy them a couple of days ago, so that's why it's stuck in my head. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. That is lovely. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, so it comes in this little pot here. It's just the packaging. And it says a highly concentrated cleansing balm to help easily dissolve the stain of sore love scum, heart fail and the dirt of your past relationships. Leaving your skin and heart feeling fresh. So there's that. Next, we've got a hydrating primer. This is Hydrate the Heartbreak. Refreshes complexions, hydrates and replenishes skin, and boosts and brightens. Again, gorgeous packaging, isn't it? It's just really, really beautiful. Let's try a bit on my hand. Oh, too much, too much. Oh, it feels really nice, really silky. Yeah, that is really nice. No scent. Oh, my skin feels super, super soft and hydrated. Wow. Ooh. Can you see the difference between my hands? This one is really dry. I don't know, it's got remnants of dodgy looking fake tan. Oh, it's coming off now. Came back from holiday last week. I'm gonna have to scrub. I'm gonna have to get a really good scrub and scrub off all my fake tan because it's all patches all over me. Disgusting. But anyway, so my skin is quite dry at the moment. So yeah, I really like that. Hydrate the Heartbreak. So hydrating primer. And there's more. There's more. What's this? Block O'Clock Pore Perfecting Primer. Okay, I don't mind that we've got 2 primers. We haven't got 3, have we? No. So we got another one there. This is for your pores, which is what I normally go for. Soft matte complexion, filter effect, blurs and soothes. Okay, try it on this hand then. Ooh, 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 just a little bit, just a little bit. Can you see up close there? Maybe you can see more pores. There. Ooh. I'll blend that all in. Again, it feels really, really nice. You can feel the difference in the formula. Yeah, definitely. This is more tacky, but it's left my skin feeling really nice and soft. It's blurred the pores as well. Wow. Yeah, you can see a difference. Oh, I hope, if only you could see properly. Maybe there. Here, this hand was the hydrate one, so you can sort of see the pores there. And this one, you can really see my dodgy tan. It's sort of blurred. Yeah, it definitely blurs. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I have got really, really, really noticeable pores. And they just don't disappear. My mum and dad both have them. Anyway, we have got Patch Up Your Feelings, Meet the Patch, Under Eye Brightening Patches. So we've got 5 in here altogether. Yeah, just under eye patches, gels there. It says brightens up your under eye, hides the heartbreak, revitalizes and rejuvenates. A wound won't heal unless you leave it alone. So we've got a set of 5 eye patches. And lastly, we've got some beauty sponges. The soak is on you. Blend away the bad vibes. 5 makeup sponges. Now you're gone, you'll never sponge off me again. So it just makes me laugh. Okay, so can I open them up like this then? Starting off with 2 little eggs, we've got a little perfectly shaped little egg there, and then we've got a flat underneath there. Unless that was, no, it is flat, it's just a bit squished. There's those. Then these 3 then, they're all different. So this is a rounded one, completely rounded one. I'm loving these. You've got angle, you got cutouts, nice straight edges. This one then is more I'd use for under eyes. It's got a rounded tip there, but a nice flat part there. Yeah. I wonder if they do videos on their socials of them using all these products. They're bound to. I follow Plouise on TikTok and on Instagram, but I mainly see the videos on TikTok. But it's usually showing off doing like a makeup look, an eye look, and not using the products that are in these budget boxes. But then saying that, a lot of these products are exclusives, so they're not even available yet. Anyway, those are all the products inside this month's Plouise budget box. I am super happy, really happy, much better than the last couple of boxes. We have got a set of 5 makeup sponges. We've got a Blocko Clock, a Pore primer. We got Hydrate the Heartbreak, a hydrating primer. We've got a set of 5 brightening under eye patches. We've got a gorgeous Murray Mint butterscotch type melting cleansing balm, and this huge bath soak, which I'm going to use as a foot soak instead because I am not passing this on. I want to keep it. So yeah, really happy this month, really happy. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? I am a little bit late in uploading this video. As I've said, I've been away for the first half of July, so I've got a lot of videos to catch up on, but I will post them all. I will post them all up. But if you are a subscriber to this box, then you obviously would have had it by now. But I'd love to hear, if you're not a subscriber, what do you think of it? What do you think of the products? And have you tried any of them before? So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.